One of the things I love most about Mesa is the location. So I've gotten to go skiing in Aspen, and I've gotten to go to Lake Powell, and there's a million other trips I'm planning. I actually had a moment where I felt like I should be at Mesa State the first time I even visited campus. I think that the faculty is so nurturing to you, and the school itself, the way it's built, it's so small that it's built for your success. My favorite classes this semester, it's probably a three-way tie. I'm taking my Anatomy 2 lecture and lab and my pathophysiology class. My biology and my anatomy professor, she's just so cool. She's younger, she dresses really cool. She almost made me want to change my major to biology. She made me interested in fish and grass and just things I normally wouldn't have been interested in. I'm really stoked about all the changes going on campus. First of all, I'm a nursing major, and they are going to tear down Medici, where we're housed right now. And they're moving us over to Saunders, so we'll have nicer labs. We just have so many facilities to make you a successful person.